Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so you don't interrupt the sync. Make sure the watch has at least 20% battery and your phone's Bluetooth is on. Once done, open the Veryfit Pro app and sign in. If you don't have an account, create one now. Keep the phone within 1 to 2 meters of the watch so pairing is stable, and make sure the app stays in the foreground during the next steps to avoid dropouts. You now sync and navigate to the time controls. Tap devices in the app and select your paired Veryfit watch. Force a manual sync and wait until it shows complete to ensure current settings transfer. Then open device settings and look for time, date, or watch face options depending on model. If the app shows automatic time, toggle it off to enter manual mode. Otherwise, select the time format you want, because the watch follows the app settings once you save changes. You finish by setting and confirming. Enter the exact hour and minute or switch between 12 and 24-hour formats, then tap Save. The app should push the update to the watch. Make sure you see a confirmation and that the watch display updates. If it doesn't, reboot the watch and repeat sync. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth, unpair and repair the device, and check for app or firmware updates. These steps resolve most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.